Hard-working people in Melbourne, Victoria, welcome to the Workers United Liberation Front. An update. Mandate number 4, revoked. Mandate number 5, come into play 1st of October. Alright, so on Saturday morning you come to light. It ends 21st of October. It applies to residential aged care facilities, construction sites, healthcare facilities and education facilities. One of the main differences is some of the dates in the table on page 13 have been introduced, new dates. A lot of the exemptions and the allowances for people to work unvaccinated still apply, but obviously a lot of the responsibilities now fall on the employer and what they choose to do with their employees with regards to that. If workers are now receiving letters from their employers, well, like I said, there's not much now I can do. You now need to seek legal advice. You have free legal advice through your unions. If you don't have trust in them, then you can seek other legal advice. I don't believe that anybody's under the illusion that this was going to be an easy battle to win. Those that have decided to exercise their freedom of choice and not to be jabbed, I assume understand that this is not going to be easy. I asked you guys what needed to be done. I told you guys what needed to be done. And now you need to ask yourselves, have you played your part? 7 days ago, I said to you guys, 7 days ago, a GoFundMe page was established. What did I say? I said, let's aim for 24 hours. Let's get the money we need so that we can file the Supreme Court application that week. Right? Did I not say that? We've barely reached 30 grand. Barely reached 30 grand. Right? I told you guys the first battle will be played out in the Supreme Court. If we filed that application back 7 days ago, or say 5 days ago, we may very well be in a very, very different position right now. Hard to say, but we very well may be. Right? What have you donated? Have you spread the links? Have you attached it to your Facebook pages? Have you contacted those independent journalists that I told you to contact with huge platforms? Have you guys bombarded them with emails and saying, hey, listen, can you help us out here? I told you this is the only platform we have. Have you played your part? I can't do much more. I've told you what needed to be done. I came and did and am doing what I'm doing because nobody else is doing it. I looked around. I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to take this lead, but I see no one's doing it. Normally it's the unions that do this, but they abandoned us. The whole trade union movement, they abandoned us. They're the ones that are resourced. They're the ones with the millions and millions and millions of dollars, right? All we need is 350k and we could have got this ball rolling. But no, they didn't want to have a part of it because they sold out. Now it's up to the people. I told you that. Without the people, there's no victory. I told you guys that. Where's the people? Where are you? What are you doing? Last couple of days I'm getting inundated by this change.org petition. Daniel Andrews resigned, that's the name of the petition, change.org. 170,000 people have signed this petition. 170,000. So you can almost 10 times that with regards to how many others would be sympathisers of what we're doing here. Right? $2.10. $2.10. If those 170,000 people that signed that change.org.au petition, if they only donated $2.10, we would have had the money to file the Supreme Court, and we very well may be in a very different position right now. $2.10. How much have you donated? What have you done to spread the links? What more can I do? What more can I do? Daniel Andrews and his government have been charged that they've been found to be in breach of 58 breaches regarding hotel quarantine, involving hundreds of lives that were lost during that time. And the man hasn't stepped down. The man hasn't resigned. He's got no shame. He ain't going to step down. Right? 58 breaches. His own department, his government. But hey, we've got to change.org petition on the way. Right? Come on, guys. get real. There's only one way to win this. There's a few battlefronts here. There's a few battlefronts, but I told you the first battle will be played out in the Supreme Court. There are other battlefronts, to include legal protest within the means of the legal framework, within the legal restrictions. My next message will be a motion to move. I will move a motion for legal protest. Stay tuned and peace.